This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the right turn from Milber towards Exeter. One thing you will notice from this side of the roundabout is there is only one sign and the road markings are pretty poor, so you do need to have an idea of how the roundabout works to get around it safely. So because we're going to be turning right, as we come down the hill we're going to position into the right hand lane. There's only 2 lanes here, and so it's only the right hand lane that will turn right. If you look ahead of you, you'll see the bridge that goes across the roundabout. Underneath that bridge, there's still only 2 lanes. Both of these lanes are going ahead. We're going to keep to the right under the bridge. But as we come out from the bridge, the lane is going to start to widen. And if we keep to the right, we will end up in the overtaking lane as we join the dual carriageway. So we do need to start positioning away from the centre of the roundabout. That's what we call spiralling. So as we come on here, you can see we've got to keep this yellow box clear. We do need to be aware of what's going on around us, so lots of mirror checks, especially on the left here. So keeping to the line on the left is going to bring us away from the centre of the roundabout. Now if you look ahead, you'll see the sign for Exeter, the green one. So we can keep right now and follow that Exeter signage around. And that's brought us round into the normal driving lane to join the dual carriageway. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, please subscribe.